A day on Farmer Jack's farm. Today, let's join Mia and Max on an exciting adventure to Farmer Jack's farm. Mia and Max arrive at the farm. Mia and Max were so excited as they arrived at Farmer Jack's farm. The sun was shining, and the air was filled with the sounds of chirping birds and mooing cows. Mia and Max meet Farmer Jack. Farmer Jack greeted them with a big smile. "Welcome to my farm, kids. Are you ready for a fun day?" Mia and Max nodded eagerly. Feeding the animals. First, Farmer Jack took them to the barn where they met the animals. There were cows, pigs, chickens, and even a friendly goat named Billy. "Who wants to feed the animals?" asked Farmer Jack. Mia and Max took turns feeding the chickens grain and giving the pigs some fresh veggies. Milking the cow. Next, it was time to milk the cow. Farmer Jack showed them how to be gentle. Max was a little nervous at first, but with Farmer Jack's help, he managed to get some milk into the pail. "Great job, Max!" cheered Mia. Collecting eggs. Then, they headed to the chicken coop to collect eggs. "Look at all the eggs," said Mia. Carefully, they placed the eggs into a basket. Farmer Jack explained how these eggs would become breakfast for many families. Planting seeds. Out in the fields, Farmer Jack taught Mia and Max how to plant seeds. "These will grow into yummy vegetables," he said. They dug little holes, placed the seeds inside, and covered them with soil. "Don't forget to water them," reminded Farmer Jack. Tractor ride. The highlight of the day was a ride on Farmer Jack's tractor. "Hold on tight," he said. As they rode around the farm, Mia and Max laughed with joy. They saw the wide fields, the grazing animals, and even a pond with ducks. After all the hard work, it was time for a picnic. Farmer Jack brought out fresh bread, cheese, fruits, and milk. "Everything tastes so good," said Max. Mia agreed, saying, "This is the best day ever." As the sun began to set, it was time to go home. Mia and Max thanked Farmer Jack for an amazing day. "Come back anytime," he said, waving goodbye. Back home. On the way home, Mia and Max couldn't stop talking about their adventures. "I want to be a farmer when I grow up," said Max. "Me too," agreed Mia. And so, Mia and Max went to bed that night with dreams of the farm, happy animals, and the fun they had with Farmer Jack. Thanks for joining us on our farm adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun stories.